Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a walkthrough of this fabulous new collection, Well Groomed from Graphic 45. It's just arrived, we've got it on the website, and I haven't actually looked into the pads yet, so come and join me as I take you on a journey through this new collection. We'll start with the 12 by 12 collection pack, and let's just move it into the centre so that I can flick through. In keeping with the theme of the collection, we've got some fabulously dressed cats and dogs with attitude, I think, and teamed up with some beautiful reds, yellows, greens and blues to make, I think this tells me it's going to be a fabulous collection. So let's have a look. So first up, there are 2 sheets of stickers in the collection pack, perfect for embellishing your projects. Lots of variety there in all of the colours. I like the numbers and the banners, and some lovely shapes. I love the circles, I'm always looking for the circles. So lots of embellishments, great for cards. And then we jump straight into the signature sheet with this gorgeous doggy and his top hat and tails, really well groomed, and a lovely, I can just see that being cut out, a lovely montage of the larger stamps and borders, florals, and adorable doggy. Love him. And then look on the back, Dalmatian spots. How fab is that? You might notice the colours are very similar to those in Mother Goose. So if you've got older collections, you can mix and match. Graphic 45 keep their colour palettes the same so that you can interchange collections. So older collections will work with this in these colourways. And then you can make really unique projects. So you get 2 sheets of the signature sheet, with that fabulous Dalmatian print on the back, 2 sheets of this gorgeous floral. So look at the B-sides of the papers as well. Don't be thinking that it's all about cats and dogs. There are some fabulous papers, I think, looking through the little swatches on the front cover of the collection that you could use for other things that aren't cat and dog themed. This being one of them. Beautiful florals, and then a lovely black sort of ivy laced swirly pattern on the back there. And don't think that the front and back necessarily go together. They don't. You can work the papers very differently by mixing and matching them. And then a lovely cutout page with some very long borders. I love this, little dog tags. And some really nice pictures to cut out there. And then a stripe on the back, putting those flowers in as well, and that little doggy print strip. So 2 of those, and then a real montage on a paler background of some very swanky looking cats and dogs, and then some lovely little banners. Again, lots to cut out there if you like fussy cutting, but a great background paper. And then my favourites, the stripes. I love them. So it goes really nicely. The kitty cat's got the stripes on there. So 2 of those, and then a sheet of 12 cutouts. So we've got 6 cats, 6 dogs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of each, cats and dogs. So that would make a great pop-up card. And then on the back of that, a beautiful blue that really mixes with the floral. Let's find the floral paper, which is here somewhere. To give a really fresh look to the collection. So 2 of those. And then look at this one in the red, black and blue. Some fabulous lettering. And again, I love papers that you can work in both directions. They're just more usable. You can make them go further, and that is one of them. So it looks great on the blue and great on the black as well. So 2 of those with that paw print on the back. Just love it, really love it. And then look at this one, all the cut aparts. Best in show. My favourite people have paws. Well groomed. I mean, you could take that and use it for a non-cat or dog themed project, and this one as well. And then look at that beautiful blue floral. Really love it, really. It's really well thought out. Well done, Graphic 45. I really like this one. All those colours, and then a big paw print paper. And again, it goes with the colours, it goes with the cutouts, and it goes beautifully with the blue. Really makes it pop. So 2 of those, and on the back, a lovely orange and cream script. So that's the 12 by 12 collection pack. And then there's the 8 by 8 with the smaller images. So 24 sheets of 8 by 8 papers in the same designs. I love to mix and match them. It's just beautiful. So nice. So nice. All the cutouts and the stripes. Really bright colours, I love it. And the blacks. The cutouts are really beautiful. I love that blue floral. Really like that. That would look lovely on a couple of projects or kits, and then the big paw prints. So that's the 8 by 8, and then to go with the 8 by 8 and the patterns and solid and the collection pack is the patterns and solids. So really vibrant colours, and we've got those patterns repeated, but in the different colours. So we've got it in the red, the Dalmatian print, with it's orangey red. It's lovely, really like it. And if you team it with the cutouts, and where are they? Let's find all of those picture cards. Really makes them pop. There was some more, wasn't there? Oh, there they are. I've gone past them. Beautiful. And then big paw prints in the orange. Lovely script in the yellow. Again, that's great paper. All of these are great papers because you can use them in any direction, and that just gives the sheet of paper more mileage when you're crafting. A lovely yellow floral. The yellow's nice and bright. A real sunshine yellow. And then there's sort of a montage on the back, print in the background on the solid side, just in that ombre look. And then black script and black pop prints. Oh, so nice. And then on the blue, you've got the blue dotted Dalmatian print, and the blue is really vibrant. It's a lovely blue, and then a gorgeous floral blue. So lots of choice in there with those 2. And then to go with all of that, there is a separate sticker sheet, the separate chipboard sheet. They're upside down, sorry. Separate chipboard sheet, the die cuts, and the journaling and ephemera. Although these are now called the ephemera assortment, and these are the ephemera journaling cards. So if you love the collection, I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough. I'll put the link to the collection on the website in the description below the video. And I hope it inspires you to get crafting with this really fun collection. Thanks very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Bye for now.